Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set alarm in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the home page of your phone and go to clock icon and here give all permission if it's needed. Then here available alarm is 7 and 6. This alarm can also be used. Suppose if you want to set your own alarm, then you can do it. Go to the clock and then go to this plus symbol and you can set your own timing. Here I would like to set 5:10 a.m. This is hour, this is minutes, and here you can set am or pm. Okay, if you are by default it is set to am. If you would like to change it to pm, you can use second option. I keep in am. Then here you can select days. If you would like to set alarm for all 7 days, you can select all days. Every day alarm will be repeated on 5:10 am. Suppose if you want to set at particular date, you can set. Click on this icon. This is calendar icon, and here you can set any date. Okay, here I set April 2024 1 and click on done. For this future date, this alarm will be repeated. So in alarm name, you can assign the name to your alarm. For reference purpose, you can set any alarm name. Here I am setting this alarm to Mickey birthday, so I just write here note like Mickey birthday, so I can understand that this alarm is for Mickey birthday. So it will be showing along with your alarm. Okay, Mickey birthday will be ringing on April 1. Okay, so in this way you can easily set any alarm as per your desire for all days or for some particular days or some particular date only. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.